Hi there. I wanted to quickly show you how to add wide-angle analytics to your Nuxt project. Wide-angle is truly unique privacy-first web analytics that does not compromise on features. Let's start by creating a generic Nuxt 3 project. Then, let's add the wide-angle Nuxt module. With that done, we can open our project and configure the recently added module. Wide angle is only active on the client side. Hence, we need to add our configuration in the public section of the runtime configuration. We are using the local development environment in this demonstration. When building your own project, make sure to copy the correct settings from your site configuration. If you are using default settings, you only have to provide site ID. Be sure to check out our documentation for all the setting options. There are many toggles you can adjust to make data collection work just right for your website. With the configuration in place, we can start our project. Wide-angle analytics automatically tracks page views, so at this stage, there is really nothing else for you to do. It just works. Okay, now let's add something more interesting. Say we want to track conversion, which is represented by a visitor pressing the Sign Up button. Add an import and call wide-angle event dispatch. You can include up to 4 custom parameters. Time to give it a go. That worked brilliantly. Now, let's go a step further. We also want to track users' intent. For example, when they hover over the Sign Up button, even without pressing on it. We can achieve this by attaching event generation to the mouse over event. Quick look into our inspection tool. Yes, here it is. Our event was sent for collection. Adding wide-angle analytics to a Nuxt project took just a few minutes. Now it is your turn.